I think part of a traditional neighborhood development or new urbanism, you create a community for everyone, not just people who want $1 million homes with views.
It's a community that's 130 acres, 131 acres to be exact, on the Oregon coast, and Depoe Bay is between Lincoln City and Newport, almost directly between the two. We're developing a community there that's going to have everything from commercial, pretty close to 101, and as you climb up the hill, there's going to be rental apartments, short-term vacation rentals. Total unit count will be somewhere in the 480 to 550 number, and that'll be that mix of everything from small vacation rentals or long-term rentals, a few apartment complexes, larger houses and lots at the top.
The Oregon coast is a place, in our experience, where you could take your whole family, you can take the babies and the grandparents.
There's all kinds of outdoor activities, and it's a coastal mountain community.